welcome to our How We Made It series, where we share the story of a project from start to finish made by the students and instructor in the Aerospace Machining and Fabrication class at the Pierce County Skills Center in Puyallup, Washington. We are going to show you how we made 20 award trophies for the Northwest C10s Club Classic Truck Show being held at the XXX Root Beer Diner in Issaquah, Washington. Thank you. Please remember to comment below, click that subscribe button, and you can also check us out on Instagram at PCSC_MachineFab. Thanks and enjoy. We were given a concept sketch for the awards. There will be an aluminum base, a piece of acrylic with the award category and sponsor laser engraved on it, and an aluminum wrench with Northwest C10s engraved on the handle. We had to figure out how to make the parts relatively easy to machine and assemble, be cost effective, and still look cool. This is the solid model assembly that was created in Autodesk Fusion 360. The wrench is attached to the acrylic piece with machine screws and plastic spacers. The screws and spacers were imported into this assembly from McMaster-Carr. The acrylic is also attached to the base with the same screws. After making the 3D model, we make the tool paths in the cam operations in Fusion 360. It starts off with a 3D adaptive, a 2D pocket, some 2D contours to finish the outside, chamfering to break the sharp edges, and it engraves the Northwest C10s logo on the handle. The second setup, which required the use of soft jaws to securely hold the part, has a 3D adaptive to remove the carrier, 2D pocket to do some surface finishing, chamfering, spot drill, drill, and tap for the holes for the screws that will secure it to the acrylic. After the tool paths are created, we run a cam simulation of the cam operations to verify that the stock is getting machined correctly and we do not have any tool collisions that would ultimately happen out on the machine, resulting in bad parts, broken tools, and machine crashes. After the first setup is machined, we need to machine the second setup, which is the backside of the part in the soft jaws. The base has three setups. The first setup starts with a 2D facing operation to clean up the top, 2D adaptive to rough out the outside, 2D contour to finish the outside, engraving for the text, chamfering. The second operation is on the back side, or the underneath side, to remove the carrier with a shell mill and edge break the bottom of the part. The third operation is for the acrylic. We have to finish cleaning out that pocket with the 2D pocket operation, spot drill, drill, and tap for the threaded holes. Here is the G&M code that was post-processed to the Haas controller in Fusion 360. It is a code that tells the machine what type of action to perform. It tells the motors where to move,
how fast to move, and which path to follow.
A metal cutting chop saw is used to cut the aluminum bars to the stock length needed to make the parts. CO2 laser is cutting a piece of MDF wood as a test piece to see if it fits with the machine base and wrench before it is made out of acrylic.